Hey everyone, it's Matt with Cruises, Rooms, and Reviews. We're here on the MSC Meraviglia, and I've got a very short few moments of access to a room that we haven't seen on this ship before. So I thought, I don't even have my regular camera with me, so it's probably gonna be a little shaky. I'm doing it with my hand on my phone, but this is room 12206. I think it's a studio single room. I will double check that and make sure I post it somewhere around here, what the actual name of this type of room is. As I show the room, I'll tell you why we're in this room. Thought I'd do a really quick video. Let's check it out. So here is your entryway when you come in the room. We are on the 12th deck. Your muster station is muster station I, which is the same as ours, so we know that is the casino. On your left as you go in the room, you do have your bathroom door, your HVAC controls, your makeup room and do not disturb lights, your key card to turn the electricity on, and you have controls for the bathroom and the room. We'll show the bathroom in a quick minute. Here's the actual room. This is why I believe it is a studio room. This looks like it would be maybe a sofa during the day and then a single bed at night. It's a little bit wide for a single bed, but it's not wide enough for two people unless you sleep very, very closely. It is an interior room. I don't really know what this is supposed to be. It's interesting, that's for sure. It just looks like a dark piece of glass. You have some nice artwork. Over here, you have a small seat/table, and then you have a floor to ceiling mirror and your HVAC up above. Here's your vanity and closet area, ship phone, your desk. At the desk, you have two European outlets and a USB outlet, more lighting control. And then you have two US outlets over here. Small TV, 32, 38, I don't know, maybe 38 or 40 inch. Some shelving to hold paperwork and your remote control and your glassware. Down here is your mini bar, and then a drawer with your hair dryer in it. Then you have, sorry this is really close up, not a lot of room in here. Here is your closet space. So you have two drawers down there. You have this space, short space for hanging with your safe at the bottom. It's a small safe, passports, wallets, keys, things like that, phones. Over on this side, you have your full-length closet and then a bigger storage area up above. Similar to other interior rooms on this ship, not a lot of storage area. That seems to be the theme for rooms on this ship. So I'll give you a view of the room from this angle. So here's the bathroom, which is the reason we are here. And I'll just go over that reason really quickly. The shower in our room smells like a sewer. So hopefully maintenance is gonna come look at that soon. Hi guys. Like I said, only using my phone today for this because I wasn't expecting to be taking this video. So hopefully they're gonna come fix that soon, but they gave us access to this room temporarily to grab a quick shower. So towel racks up there. You do have three nice sized storage shelves, single sink, soap, some places to put your toothbrushes and such, shelving underneath, large mirror. This is essentially the same bathroom you get in any room, so they don't skip, even though the room is small, they don't skip on the bathroom size. Standard ship toilet. You have some more towel racks back here. And the shower, again, the reason we're here. Rebecca did take a shower in here already, and she said the water pressure is pretty light in this room compared to what we have, which isn't great to begin with. It's okay, I would say, in our room. Rooms here on the MSC Meraviglia do come with shampoo and shower gel, no conditioner. You have a rack there, bar, foot bar, and then you do have a shower wand, which is adjustable up, down, side, side. You can take the wand off, and then you have your shower controls. The size of the shower is pretty decent. I've been in much smaller showers on other ships, so it does the job, but it's nothing huge either. So again, quick video. This was room 12206 here on the MSC Meraviglia. We believe it is a solo studio room. Again, I will make sure I post the actual name of this room in the video. Hope you enjoyed this. If you did, hit a like. Also, make sure you check out the rest of the Cruises, Rooms, and Reviews channel. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss any future cruising content. This is Matt with Cruises, Rooms, and Reviews. Happy cruising, everybody.